So this riff's using the A minor pentatonic scale, and it sounds a little bit like this. Okay, so it's just in two different sections. We're going to learn each section one at a time, and you want to make sure that you can play the first section before moving on to the second one. And make sure you can also play the A minor pentatonic scale, because we're going to be using exactly the same fingering as was described in that lesson. So the first note then, we're going to start from fret 2 on string 3, finger 2. Now what we're doing here is we're going to be using some hammer-ons and pull-offs, so it's worthwhile making sure that you've had a look at the beginner technique lesson on legato, hammer-ons and pull-offs. So straight away from this note, we play it again, and we want to flick off, we want to pull off to the open string 3. And then we're going to try and play what's called a trill, and we're going to hammer straight back on with our second finger. Hammer straight back on onto the same fret. So I'm only actually plucking one note here. I'm just plucking fret 2, hammer, pull off to the open string, hammer back on. So you play fret 2 once, and then you play it again and pull off and hammer on. It's also called a trill. And then from there we're going straight to open string 4, and we're going to play that and then also hammer on to fret 2 using our second finger. So if you just practice that, open string 4, hammer on, fret 2. Remember, it's got to be a positive tap when you hammer on. And then we go to open string 3, just play that on its own, and then just play fret 2, string 3. So I've got fret 2, trill, string 4, hammer on, and then play open string 3 and finish on fret 2, string 3. So again, as with the E minor riff, we've got a combination of long and short notes. So we've got long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. So if you remember, the hammer-ons and pull-offs or the trills are often used to create faster notes. So I'll just do that one more time. So we've got long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. And then just to finish off this first phrase, we're going to fret 3 on string 5, and then we play open string 5. And both of those notes are long. So we've got long, short, short, long, short, short, long, 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 long. Now if you're having difficulty with any of the hammer-ons and pull-offs, you can always just play these notes, just standard picked and fretted, pick every single note.